Hello friends, in last video we have seen that the hdfs command through command line as well as Java program. Now in this video we are going to see the word count program. So just let's just check the content of the word file first. So I just open the WinSCP, and here let me just remove this uh, file and jar file as well. See, this is our Java file in which we have main class, and in that we are taking two arguments. First, which is the input file or folder, and the second one, that is the output path. And in this file we have created the two classes, tokenizer mapper and the sum reducer. Now here the tokenizer mapper, why we require tokenizer mapper? Because the map reduce, what it will do, first it will give the token to all words, and after that it will check which have the same token. Here the token means the word, means if you can see that the token that means like a key. So here we can see that it will check the keys, and if it is same then it will do the sum of the all the keys. And so here the right context dot write, which contain the key and the result of that key, that means the word and the count of that word, how many times that word is repeated. So first, let's run that. So let me close these first and run this command. If we run this command, that means we are just compiling the Java file. So it will create the jar file and the classes file. So here uh, no, it's just to create the classes file. Here you can see that all the classes has been created. Now we will create the jar file. We want to club these classes, so that's why we are creating the jar. So here the word counter jar has been created. Now just let's create the input folder on the HDFS server, so that we can take something as an input for this command, for this program, and just put the test.txt file in this input folder. Now let's first check the content of this test.txt file using cat command. So cat, here, hi, I am testing file, so that is our file. Now let's run this command. So here hadoop, then we are providing the jar, then the word count which we want to run first, and input and the output. Input is the it is the path which we want we want program to run first, and whatever the output, that will be go into the output directory. So if we run this, here it is working and it's done. So let's check in browser. Here the output folder has been created, and also created one file part r 5 times of 0. This is our output file, which contain the how many words are exist in our file. So if we see the content of this file, if we want to see the content of this file, then we can use the cat command. So here we can see that hi, I am a file testing. So hi, which is the one word, I am, which is the, so this is the count, and the first row, first column, that is a word, and the second column is the count of that word in the whole folder. So here, uh, here is the program which count how many words are there in your directory or in your file, and it in return it gives you the output with the word and the total number of counts. So if you like this, then like this video, then please hit the like button. Thank you.